Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use dynamic pages in Wix. Okay, so to use them you need to go to the CMS button. After, in here, press on Add to Site. Now it's going to be adding our CMS. Alright, and now basically you want to choose your basically preset, or you want to start by adding content. I will just press Start with a preset. Alright, and in here you basically want to choose what type of dynamic page you want. So I would say starting off with services will probably be a good idea, so let's do that. Add to site. Now let's wait until they will be added. Okay, now they are added successfully. And in here, as you can see, this is going to be our dynamic page. And in here, in the services, as you can see, you can add any type of services you want. So this is just examples. You can delete these and add new items as well. Also in more actions, you've got also import items, collection settings. Also you can add it on mobile, which is very important as well. And as you can see in services in here, we have different kind of services, for example, manicure, professional makeup, skin product consultation, etc. And you can of course make it all beautiful because it looks kind of trash now, but you can make it way better. So you can implement some cool icons, some buttons. You can choose your images, any images you want, add a text and just make it all beautiful. Choose some beautiful looking font, and yeah, your imagination in general can go far in here. And that's basically how you do it. And after you've done your changes, you can either press preview or publish. When you press publish, all of the stuff that you've done here in this dynamic page will be basically live, and the next time or the first time a certain user enters your website, they will see everything the way you've set it in here. And if you want to add others, go to CMS again, then create and then add a preset. You can just start doing everything from scratch. So add a preset and choose anything else you want. So item list, very important. Portfolio, recipes, job listings, whatever. You can also be having a employer website as well if you're hiring people, for example, for some jobs, property listings, all of the general stuff you can do on Wix very easily. And of course you can customize everything to your liking, and the dynamic page will go far in making sure that your business grows and is successful. Thank you guys for watching this small tutorial. If you've liked it, please subscribe to our channel and like the video, and I'll see you in the next one soon.